How to reinstall Bilibili app. First of all, open the Google Play Store on your device and make sure you are logged into your Google account. Next, use the search bar at the top of the screen to type in Bilibili and press enter to search for the app. If the app is already installed on your device, you will see the uninstall button. Tap on it to remove the app from your device. After the app has been successfully uninstalled, the install button will appear. Tap on it to reinstall the Bilibili app on your Android device. If the app is unavailable on your Play Store, you can easily reinstall it from the APK app. Once the installation is complete, you can open the app and log into your account to start using Bilibili again. Now you know how to safely uninstall and reinstall the Bilibili app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.